Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for honest reviews and insightful product analysis. Today, we're diving into the world of miniature crafts with a spotlight on one of the best offerings in the market, the IMIKEYA miniature dollhouse plant flowers. If you're a fan of dollhouse decor or miniature landscaping, you're in for a treat. These 12 pieces mini dollhouse potted plants from IMIKEYA are more than just tiny decorations. They're a gateway to a world of creativity and charm. Crafted with premium materials, these artificial plants boast remarkable realism. Each piece is meticulously designed to mimic the beauty of nature, from the intricate leaves to the delicate flowers. But what sets these miniature plants apart? Let's delve into the details. Firstly, versatility. Whether you're adorning a dollhouse, creating a micro-landscape, or sprucing up your desktop, these mini plants are perfect for any small space. Their vivid colors and lifelike appearance breathe life into any miniature scene, adding a touch of greenery and charm. Secondly, durability. Made with high-quality plastic, these plants are built to last. Unlike real plants, they won't wither or fade over time, ensuring years of enjoyment. Plus, they're easy to maintain. No need for watering or sunlight, simply display them and admire their beauty. Now, let's talk about the perfect gift. Whether it's for a friend, a loved one, or yourself, these miniature dollhouse plant flowers make for an unforgettable present. Imagine the joy of receiving a set of these charming plants, meticulously crafted to brighten any space. And finally, customer satisfaction. With IMIKEYA, you can trust that you're getting top-notch quality and service. They're committed to ensuring 100% satisfaction, so you can shop with confidence. So, whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, these miniature dollhouse plant flowers are a must-have addition to your collection. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product critiques and recommendations. Until next time, happy crafting!